Two defense attorneys for two of the Central State employees that were heard today successfully argued before Judge Joseph Teefee that their clients should not be tried with the rest of the defendants.
Dinwiddie County Commonwealth's attorney Ann Baskerville filed a motion to try all 10 defendants together on the second-degree murder charge. She argued in court all 10 defendants were in custody of Irvo Otieno when he died, and their level of involvement should be left up to the jurors. She adds the cases and evidence against each would be the same, and defendants aren't trying to shift blame amongst each other, and trying the case as one could save the court time. However, attorneys for Cedarius Williams and Darian Blackwell, both Central State employees, argue the opposite is true, saying that witness testimony so far shows there are attempts by Henrico Sheriff's deputies to place blame on hospital staff. They add that evidence that could be admitted in the deputies' trials, such as their conduct with Otieno at the jail, which one attorney called graphic and inflammatory, would be prejudicial to their clients because they weren't there and no amount of jury instructions could fairly resolve that. The judge agreed with the defense on the issue of prejudice and added he didn't believe trying all 10 at once would lead to a quicker overall trial.
Justice for Irvo!
Following Wednesday's hearing, the family for Otieno and friends did not address the media. This is CBS 6 legal analyst Todd Stone on the judge's ruling.
I mean, the joinder issue is the type of issue that comes up in the Court of Appeals fairly often, and so it really should be in everybody's interest to make sure that the case is as clean as possible so it doesn't get relitigated years down the road. So the judge is trying to protect the case by doing what appears to be the correct thing under the law and what would have the best case of surviving on appeal at the Court of Appeals.
Now, following those defense motions being successful, the prosecutor indicates she would likely file a new motion to try the Central State employees together and the sheriff's deputies together. But some of the attorneys for the deputies indicated they would be filing a motion to oppose that trial of all 7 deputies together as well. And those hearings will take place later this summer. In Richmond, Cameron Thompson, CBS 6 News.